The armoring practice bases itself around the pain body. We work with the pain body. Pain body is an energetic structure. It's as big as the physical body, and it contains all the pain, trauma, hurt that we collected throughout our life and never actually processed it, never dealt with it, and kind of put it under the carpet like a skeleton in a closet, within a psyche, within a body somewhere. As we live longer and continue to collect stress after stress, trauma after trauma, unless they're released, the pain body becomes more and more dense, more and more full of pain. So de-armouring is a way of accessing the pain body and helping a client to transform the pain body into love, into blissful, joyful, relaxed state of being in the physical body, in the mental body, emotional body. So it works on all levels. The pain body can be accessed on any point in the body, literally any part of the body we can access it. And it's not static, it shifts, it moves. It's like a slimy fish, you try to catch it and it escapes. So very often what we do is we find, say for example, the point of contact with the pain body is here, and as soon as I touch it, because it's so uncomfortable and because in our everyday life we're trying to do everything we can to avoid feeling pain, but the pain is still there. So if I can touch it here and the person is not willing to actually go into it, experience it, transform it, integrate it into the body, they will literally, the pain body will shift and move. And so location from here, it might be here, so then I have to chase it here. And then from here, it might move somewhere else. So it's a tricky concept to work with. And this is why de-armouring is not such a simple job to learn. It's not just a series of pressure points that you learn, and then the client lies down and you press the point, and transformation happens. Not so. It's a lot more complex than that. But you need to learn the points. You need to learn about the pain body, the theory, the practice of it. You need to have the personal experience of what it feels like when somebody is touching your pain body. And then you need to develop a large container for space holding. What that means is that if I want to hold space for someone to go through their trauma, I need to go through the same trauma myself first. I cannot take someone into the process if I haven't completed that process inside myself. And the reason for that is that in order for the person to go into the trauma and to start releasing it, they have to trust. So the trust is the key issue in de-armouring. And I'm not talking about physical trust, I'm talking about energetic and emotional trust. So if a client lying in front of me doesn't trust me, there is absolutely no way on earth they're going to enter the pain body and start emptying it, because they won't feel safe. So if I want to become a successful de-armouring practitioner, I need to go myself through so many layers and layers and layers of my own pain body and transform it, so that when a client lies in front of me, I can successfully hold space for them and not run away or not react when they go into their pain. So the trust actually is something that can be gained only through experience. And this is why de-armouring takes time to learn.